It's Monday, start of a new week, and every day's a grind, so I will see you guys in the gym. So I think the hardest part about this workout was trying to stay warm. A ritual that I do have every time I go to the gym is I warm up for about 20 minutes, whether it be, doing a couple sets of bench press or doing some mobility work or some foam rolling or any way to really just get warm. I think anybody that gets leaner tends to get cold very, very easily just because they don't have that extra layer of fat to keep them warm. Now, I'm sitting at about 137 pounds flat. I think if I had to guess, I'd be around a 7 to 8% body fat. Sometime this week, we're actually going to go into Complete Nutrition. They have this body fat analyzer, and we're going to measure our body fat. Now, these things aren't that accurate, and the last time I went, I didn't go fasted, so maybe this time that I do go, I'm going to go in fasted and probably get a more accurate number. Now, to name the top 3 ways I think to see if you're getting lean or not, number 1 would definitely be progress pictures. Take them week by week or every 2 weeks. The second thing would be the scale. The reason why I measure my weight every morning is because I don't want to lose weight too rapidly and too quick. I want to preserve as much muscle as possible. So that's the reason why I weigh myself every morning. And the last option would be a body fat analyzer. Now, like I said, those things aren't that accurate, but it gives you an idea to see where you're at. So I'm going to go ahead and end this commentary. If you guys like this series, go ahead and comment down below and give me some feedback. I'd really appreciate it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Just finished up at the gym, guys. We need to go tanning, but I'm dreading it today and I really don't want to go, so not gonna go tanning today. Gonna go the next 4 days, which is today's Tuesday, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and just tan it up basically. But anyways, today in the gym we kind of eased off a little bit just because I did squat presses, and my last set I felt like a crack in my knee, which you guys will see right here. And when something like that happens, guys, don't push through it. Just quit and find a different alternative or do something different, because it's not worth getting injured over a simple movement. Learn to find something different if that happens to you guys. Your safety is more important than lifting some heavy ass weights. So anyways, after the workout we did some HITT. That's HITT cardio for you guys. 30 seconds, all out sprints on the bike. 3 sets, and we are done. I just call it HITT on the bike. Simple. Anyways, gonna go home, fix a post-workout meal, and I will see you guys later. We have 85 grams of, grapes? Yeah, grapes. Then we have 2 scoops of the cinnamon swirl, Cellucor's whey protein, and 10 ounces of milk. Now I'm not going to drink this right now. I'm going to save it for work tonight, so we'll go ahead and try it out. Tastes really, really good. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the fridge to keep it cool, and I'll show you guys what my next meal is, or what my actual meal is. So we still have, let's see, 41 grams of fat left, 172 carbs left, and 85 protein. So probably going to bump up my carbs to like 425. So right now the goal says 375. So I'll show you guys what my next meal is. Spanish style, Uncle Ben's. Now I did the whole container of this, and the macros on this are 5 total fat for the whole container. So it's 5 total fat, 80 carb, and 8 grams of protein. Now with that, we're going to have some chicken, diced up chicken, and we are going to toss it in our bowl right over here. And what I'll probably do is throw some low-fat ranch on. So I'll show you guys that real quick. I had this yesterday, or fat-free ranch, and this was really good. I had a salad. I had a salad with this, and this is how it looks. It's the original fat-free ranch, and the macros on this are 0 fats, 0 protein, and 6 carbs. So that is really, really good for a ranch dressing. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys what the macros are on this. Now this is a higher a higher carb meal, decent amount of protein, and pretty low fat. So the total fat on this is 8 grams. Total carbs are 94 grams, and the total protein is 30 grams. And this is how it looks, guys. So high volume, tastes very good, and we are going to enjoy this.